Hi, Tom. Ready to shop?
Hi, Anna. Yes, I brought our list.
Smart. Planning makes it faster.
Exactly.
The supermarket is busy.
True, but the entrance is clean and spacious.
I like the glass doors. Lots of sunlight.
It makes the space feel open.
Baskets or carts?
Basket is enough.
Got one.
I'll hold the list.
Ready to go inside?
Yes, hope the produce is fresh.
I enjoy fruits first.
Me too. Apples and oranges.
The fruit section is colorful.
Shopping is more fun this way.
Signs are easy to read.
Makes finding things simple.
Strawberries today?
In the promotion section.
Great. Bananas too.
Perfect. Healthy snacks.
Should we check discounts?
Good idea. Some items are cheaper.
Clear promotions help.
Saves money too.
The floor is clean.
Comfortable to walk.
Ready to start?
Let's move to the first aisle.
Fruits and vegetables first?
Yes, quick to fill the basket.
I see apples and oranges.
Let's pick the freshest.
I like red apples.
I'll take green ones.
How many oranges?
4 for the week.
I'll put them in.
I'll check the apples now.
Bright entrance is welcoming.
Makes shopping enjoyable.
Excited for this trip.
Me too. Fresh fruits motivate.
Sunlight makes it cheerful.
Nice start to shopping.
Any items before vegetables?
No, focus on fruits first.
I see bananas and grapes for me.
Oranges and apples for me.
Planning together is fun.
Makes shopping easier.
Ready to continue?
Fruit section ahead. Let's go. Here we are. Look at all these fresh vegetables.
Wow, everything looks very colorful and clean.
Let's start with tomatoes. They look ripe.
I like the red ones. They'll be perfect for salad.
I'll take a few green peppers as well.
Good idea. They are healthy and tasty.
Do we need cucumbers today?
Yes, I'll pick 2 or 3.
What about carrots? They're on sale.
Perfect. I'll add some to the basket.
I also see fresh spinach here.
Great. We can use it for sandwiches.
Do you want zucchini or eggplant?
Let's take zucchini. I'll cook it for dinner.
The lettuce looks very fresh too.
I'll grab 1 head of lettuce.
Should we get some onions as well?
Yes, we need them for soups and cooking.
How about garlic? A small bunch should be enough.
I agree. It adds good flavor to dishes.
I see some bell peppers in yellow and red.
Let's take 1 yellow and 1 red.
The shelf has fresh potatoes too.
I'll take a few. They'll last for the week.
Do we need any mushrooms today?
Yes, a small pack will be enough for dinner.
The egg section is just next to vegetables.
Okay, we'll check eggs after fruits and vegetables.
Look at these grapes. They are very sweet.
I'll take a small bunch for snacking.
The apples are fresh too, red and green varieties.
I'll take 2 red ones, please.
Oranges are next. We can make juice tomorrow.
Perfect. I'll take 4.
How about berries? Strawberries look fresh.
Yes, I'll add a small pack to the basket.
Do we need bananas today?
Yes, they are good for breakfast.
I also see lemons here.
I'll take 2. They're good for tea and salad dressing.
The aisle looks very organized today.
Yes, everything is easy to find.
Shall we check the leafy greens one more time?
Yes, just to make sure we have enough.
I think we have most of the vegetables now.
Great! We can move to the dairy section next.
Don't forget to carry the basket carefully.
I will. It's not too heavy yet.
I like shopping together. It's fun.
Me too. We always find everything we need.
The produce looks fresh and healthy.
I'm happy with our choices.
Okay, let's move to milk, cheese, and yogurt.
Perfect. I'm excited to see the dairy section. Look at all the milk and yogurt here.
Yes, it's well organized. Let's check the milk first.
Do we need whole milk or low fat?
Let's take low fat. It's healthier for breakfast.
I see almond milk too. Should we try it?
Sure. 1 carton will be interesting.
How many bottles of milk should we take?
2 should be enough for the week.
The cheese section looks large.
Yes, let's pick some cheddar and mozzarella.
I like cheddar for sandwiches.
And mozzarella is good for pasta.
Should we get some yogurt for snacks?
Yes, small cups will be perfect for us.
I see strawberry and vanilla flavors.
Let's take 1 of each. Variety is nice.
How about butter? Do we need some?
Yes, just 1 block. We still have some at home.
The eggs are next to the dairy products.
Right. We need a dozen for cooking this week.
I like these small cartons of cream.
They are perfect for coffee or sauces.
Do you want any flavored milk for the kids?
Not today. Regular milk is enough.
The refrigerated shelves are very clean.
Yes, everything looks fresh and well stored.
Should we check the yogurt drinks as well?
Good idea. They're tasty and healthy.
The butter and cream look fresh.
Let's take 1 butter and 1 small cream.
I see some cottage cheese here.
We can try a small pack for breakfast.
The dairy aisle is bright and well lit.
Yes, it's easy to see everything clearly.
Shall we check the labels? We have all our items ready.
Yes, let's go to the checkout.
The line is not too long today.
That's good. It will be quick.
I'll place the fruits and vegetables on the counter.
I'll put the dairy products next.
Don't forget the eggs.
Right, they are on top so they won't break.
Should we separate the cold items?
Yes, let's keep milk and yogurt together.
I like this cashier. She's very friendly.
Yes, she always smiles and helps quickly.
The conveyor belt moves smoothly.
It makes checkout easy and fast.
Do you want to use a loyalty card?
Yes, I'll scan it for discounts.
The scanner worked perfectly.
Great, we saved a little money today.
I hope the total is not too high.
Let's wait and see.
Do we need any bags?
Just a couple. Our basket is enough.
I like carrying reusable bags.
Me too. They are better for the environment.
The cashier is checking the prices.
Everything looks correct so far.
I see the small candy display here.
Yes, but we don't need any today.
The magazines look interesting.
Maybe next time. Today we stick to our list.
The scanner finished quickly.
Good, we are almost done.
How much do we need to pay?
The total is reasonable, not too expensive.
I'll pay with my card.
Okay, I'll help you with the PIN.
Payment went through successfully.
Perfect, we are done.
I'll pack the fruits carefully in the bag.
I'll pack the dairy and eggs.
The bags are not too heavy.
Yes, we can carry them easily.
I like shopping here. It's always pleasant.
Me too. Everything is fresh and organized.
Let's leave before the next crowd arrives.
Good idea. We finished at a perfect time.
I enjoyed picking fresh vegetables and fruits.
And I like choosing dairy products.
Our basket looks full and balanced.
Yes, we have everything for the week.
Shall we go to the car now?
Yes, let's carry the bags carefully.
Thanks for helping me today, Tom.
You're welcome, Anna. Shopping together is fun.
Next week, we can do this again.
Absolutely. We make a great team.
I'm happy with our purchases.
Me too. Fresh food makes me feel good.
Let's head home and start cooking.
Perfect. I'm ready for dinner ideas.